Looking for the best origami paper? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 origami paper on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, Gamenote Colorful Origami Kit. 108 sheets in 54 different patterns. Kit includes 20 unpatterned sheets for pure practice. Instructions are very simple and easy to follow. Designs get more advanced throughout the book. Easy to understand origami book with fun paper, perfect for kids. May not be suitable for very young children. At number 2, BuBu Origami Paper. 1000 sheet pack of premium quality paper that resists tearing and curling. Paper is 6x6, the most popular size for origami. Paper comes in a box that protects unused origami sheets. A simple but massive pack of origami paper sheets. Sheets are colored on both sides, making it tricky to keep track of folds. At number 1, Kool Krafts Origami Paper Kit. Kit includes 300 square sheets available in basic colors and more elaborate patterns. Kit comes with 25 origami guides that have easy to follow, step-by-step instructions. A complete kit for beginners and experts to enjoy origami. Paper included in the kit is thin. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.